Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to put a water slide on a tumbler. Water slide is just a transparent decal paper, so you can lay an image without a background. I print my image from Design Space and then I'll trim away the registration marks. I got this decal paper from Hobby Lobby, but I'll link some from Amazon in the description box below. Once you have it trimmed, put your image in a bowl of warm water and it will start to roll. Just use your hands to flatten it out and let it soak until it starts to separate from the backing. One important tip is to make sure that you seal your image before you put it into the water so your inks don't run. Now that it separates easily from the backing, it's ready to go on. I'll just put a little bit of water on my tumbler to give it room to slide. I put the entire image, backing and all, onto the tumbler, and then I'll start to slide the top layer onto the tumbler and the backing away, and it'll easily just slip away from the image. Now that I have the decal on the tumbler, I'll just smooth out any bubbles that I've got from the transfer. For my final step, I'll spray it with acrylic sealer just a couple more times, and then it's ready for epoxy. So thanks for watching. Like the video if it was helpful, subscribe to my channel for more tutorials, and until next time, thanks guys.